This is Mike Torres with ASPEEDREPAIR. We have a repair for your Tecnogym plastic shrouds that will save you guys some money. Everybody knows how this problem is, that people are on the machine, they go over here to grab it, sit up, and what do? They pull this right out. These are your new steel shroud covers to protect our existing plastic. Right on. And there you are, bingo, repaired. Grab on this all day long, it's not going to break. Bingo, repaired. It's not going to move, it's going to last you for years. Pull yourself up as many times as you like. Thank you.